the back of an airplane, a 737 to be exact. And here's a restroom. Of course, you got your light. Something there. Security seal. You don't want to touch that. Here's our sink. And there's your hot and cold right there. Little stopper plug. Seat covers. No toilet paper. And the toilet. And I know that some of you like to watch toilets flush. So, here you go. Nothing to see there. No trash. And of course, you don't want to be sitting on this thing when you flush it, unless you like your intestines to be pulled out of you. And of course, the occupied, no occupied. And that's pretty much it. Tiny quarters. Oh yeah, and I guess it's a baby changing station. Tiny one. Have a good one. Oh, an addendum. We do have toilet paper. And then we got the ding light, which means we gotta start sitting down because it's turbulence probably. That is it. Hope you enjoy.